Here we have an absolutely beautiful truck that is extremely hard to come by, and you'll see what I mean here in a little bit. This is a 1996 Ford F250 XLT extended cab Powerstroke diesel. Now, as I'm going around this, you're going to notice right away no rust issues on this truck whatsoever. No rust through, nothing on the doors, nothing underneath. The underside is all original steel from Ford, looking good with no rust through or anything like that. But get this truck has 39,000 actual miles on it. You go out there and look on the marketplace for these trucks and you'll find them out there with 200, 300,000 miles. This one has 39,000 actual miles, and boy does it show. This truck is laser straight. Very, very, very well taken care of truck. 7.3 Powerstroke diesel, 5-speed manual transmission, 39,000 actual miles, and yes, it is a 4-wheel drive as well. This is pretty doggone close to a one-of-a-kind truck, a survivor truck like this, where you don't have to worry about rust. It's got extremely low miles, plenty of pulling power, whether you're pulling a camper or horses or livestock, work trailer, whatever it might be. This truck is absolutely ready to go to work for you. It also has the upgraded 16-inch alloy wheels on it. Let's give it a nice look. Now take a look at this as I go down around the bottom of the truck. Again, there is not a bubble, a pimple. If you look hard enough, you might find a chip or two, but absolutely no bubbles, no rust coming through on the truck at all. Let's take a look inside. As I mentioned, powered by a 5-speed manual transmission there. I want to point out too that the truck does have the dual fuel tanks right here. And it's an XLT with some nice equipment. You got power windows, power door locks, power seat, lumbar control on both sides for the front passengers. Nice armrest with console. I mean, look at that. Even the seat doesn't have any wear. You see a lot of these trucks where the fabric is all torn and tattered on the edge there. This thing is just a time capsule almost. Look at how clean that is. And that is the way the whole truck is. Tilt wheel, cruise control, AM, FM, and of course, from the 90s, you've got the cassette player as well. Air conditioning, of course. Full complement of gauges, as I mentioned, 39,000 actual miles on this truck. It's amazing. Back seat presumably hasn't been used much at all. Does have the rear sliding window too, which is kind of nice when you're going down the road, get some fresh air circulating. Shuts nicely. Let's take a look at the other side quick. Now you can see all the still pictures of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. There you will see photos of the inside, the outside, the underside, under the hood, all of that. Take a look on this side. Here's the lumbar control for this side that I mentioned. Very, very nice truck. Oh, yep, see, I knew we could find a chip if we looked hard enough. One little chip right there. But again, you really got to look to even find anything like that on this truck. If you've been looking for one of these or you're a fan of them, do not wait on this truck. There's a little bit of a ding right here. All right, I'll hop in it. We'll open the hood and fire it up for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood's open. Let's fire it up. And she's alive. 39,000 miles. .3-liter Powerstroke diesel under the hood. Nice, clean, and tidy under here as well. Not oil all over the place or anything like that. She's looking good. We'll take a look. Quick one more check around the back here. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, trade-ins are considered. Financing is available, and this truck would qualify for an extended warranty to protect your purchase after the sale as well.